everyone, welcome to iPandarin 3 minutes per day Chinese class. I'm Qingqing. In last lesson, we learned 你好, 你, 我, 我是. Have you done your practice and your homework? I hope you did, because learning Chinese takes a lot of practice. Well, before we start, all the content in this video can be accessed at www.ipandarin.com. Today we will do some practice to strengthen our pronunciation through Pinyin. Well, let's begin. Let's try to mark the Pinyin for 你好. We will start with the first character 你. And the initial for 你 is n. The final is final e with a third tone. 你. Well, can you do 好 by yourself? I bet you did it. 好 initial for 好 h, final ao, and also a third tone, but pronounced 你好, the second tone and the third tone. Let's check. Well done. Very good. And the next one, 我是. We start with 我. The initial for 我, u, and final o, with third tone, 我, and you do 是 first. Okay, did you get it? Let's do it together. 是 initial 诗 and final 一 and the fourth tone 我是. Let's check. Bravo, well done. Now I believe you all can pronounce them like a native speaker. Let's move on. In the last minute, let's learn how to write this character 我, which means I, together. Okay, first let's compare the character with the picture on the right side. They look quite similar, right? Well, how? The character 我 looks like two soldiers standing back to back. I will explain. The first stroke is the sword of the left soldier, and the second stroke is their arms stretching together. And this stroke is the left soldier's body and feet. The fourth stroke is his sheath. Follow this stroke is the right soldier's body and feet. And this stroke is his sheath. Don't forget the torch on the right soldier's hand is the last stroke. Okay, now raise up your hand and we will practice writing 我 a couple of times together. We'll write with the character animation. Okay, let's start. 我 Again, please. 我 Faster. 我 Did you get it? Do you need to write it one more time? Okay, let's do it together. 我 Again, please. Again. Okay, that's it. Now take a piece of paper out and you will write it on the paper yourself. I believe you can write it correctly. And now imagine in your mind two soldiers standing back to back, the sword, the sheath, and the torch. That is 我. Okay, now compare what you wrote with the character here. Did you write it correctly? I bet you did. Well, if you wrote it wrong, you can correct it by comparing to the right character here. And you still need to practice many times to strengthen it. With this method, it will make you like learning characters so much easier. Alright, that's all for today. Today we learned how to write the character 我. So here comes our homework. Please finish the reading and writing exercises of Level 1, Lesson 1. We will learn how to count from 1 to 10 next lesson. So please get ready. Once again, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. All the content in this video can be accessed at www.ipenread.com. Okay, see you. Bye bye.